Ari, you've had a long day at work today. Your hair is looking a little dull. It's like a little... I don't like that for you at all.
I don't either.
I need healthy, beautiful, glowy, glossy hair. And so do you. So in celebration of launching at Sally Beauty, we're gonna give you a little glossing treatment today. You can do this by yourself too, but I mean, I wanna treat you today, so I got you. So this treatment's super easy to do. All you gotta do, have clean, dry hair. Then I just like to section into like 2 or 3 sections. I'm just gonna apply this to a big clump of hair and get it all in there. It's also a treatment for your hands. I mean, not technically, but it makes your hands really, really soft. I'm more than halfway done. And if you're wondering what exactly this does, this is gonna boost your bonds for healthier looking hair, as well as make your hair feel stronger. Obviously called super gloss for a reason. The best thing it does is make your hair extremely glossy, and it's gonna hydrate your hair. It's great for people with colored hair as well to boost the vibrancy of your color in between salon visits. So much hair.
Every time I go to a salon, I can see the pain in their eyes. Like, oh no.
Now, at the end, I like to just take a wide tooth comb just to ensure we got this treatment on every single hair strand, especially for somebody who has as thick of hair as you do. All right, Artie, we're gonna let this process for 20 minutes, and then we're gonna rinse it, style it, and I'm gonna show everybody final results.
I'm ready.
All right, let's do it. We did it. Look at how luxurious and stunning your hair looks.
It looks so good.
The shine is unreal. It is not like any other hair mask where you use it and it immediately goes away. That shine locks onto your hair, which is very unique to Super Gloss. And if you ever want to do this again, Ari, it's now available at Sally Beauty. Yay!